Hi, welcome to Free Meditation TV. My name's Andrew and this is Jay.
Hi.
Today we have a short episode on the chakras and also how different areas of our body would relate to the chakras.
Yes, indeed. So the chakras are linked to the body parts. Now, if we're feeling any issue in our chakras, we may or may not feel it in the corresponding body part. So now we're going to show you those corresponding body parts. So Muladhara chakra is the first chakra. It is located on the hands here, so you may feel some tingling or burning or even cool if it's in good condition. You would also feel it on your heels as well.
And moving up from the base of our spine for Muladhara chakra, the second chakra, lower stomach, is our Swadhisthana chakra, located on our thumbs, the body part, our middle toes, and also the areas of the body that are the upper arms and our thighs or our upper legs.
Right, so now we move to the Nabi chakra, which is the third chakra. This finger is the middle finger. You will also, if you have some issues, you may feel your knees and your elbows may bother you.
This is one of the main reasons we want to understand is that, let's say you had some knee pain, and what you could do is you could work on the vibrations of chakra 3, the Nabi chakra, either by turning your hand down and to the right or actually meditating with your hand on that chakra. So now let's move up to chakra 4, which is of course the heart chakra. The location on the fingers is the pinkies. Location on the feet is the little toes. And in the body it's actually your forearms and the shin area, the calf area of your lower leg.
So now we come up to the fifth chakra, which is Vishuddhi chakra. So the Vishuddhi chakra is the index fingers. It is actually the second toe after the thumb, and also where you would feel it on your body is the wrists and your ankles.
Moving on up to chakra 6, the forehead, the Agya chakra, and it actually doesn't have any other areas of the body except for your ring fingers and the toes next to your tiny toes.
And then the final chakra, which is the Sahasrara, it is the center of your palm. And again, just like Agya chakra, it's just the center, the top of your head.
Couple little points that we want to add is that on the feet themselves is the center of the feet in the middle is the Sahasrara chakra, and the big toe is actually the Nabi chakra.
Yes, so it's a little bit of a switch around on the feet.
Yes, the Swadhisthana and Nabi chakra are switched. On the hands, they're middle finger and the thumb, but on the toes, they switch.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed our little video on how the chakras relate to the body parts. Thanks for watching.